is digital marketing? The Complete Guide Part 2. 04. Pay-per-click, PPC. Some digital marketing methods, such as blogging, SEO, and social media posting are organic, meaning that they draw traffic naturally to your business rather than requiring that you spend money directly. Other practices, however, come with a price. TAG.PPC, and acronym for pay-per-click, is a particularly powerful form of paid online advertising. Like SEO, PPC is a type of search engine marketing, or SEM. If you're familiar with posts labeled ad at the top and bottom of Google search results pages, you've already seen PPC in action. By this model, advertisers pay a fee every time their link is clicked. As with other forms of digital marketing, the goal of PPC is to drive traffic to a website in order to generate leads and make sales. Generally, PPC is used on either search engines or social media platforms.
Google search engine marketing. PPC is most commonly associated with Google Ads. Take a look at this article to learn how to advertise on Google. Facebook, you can further use the pay-per-click model to advertise on Facebook. Creating paid Facebook posts helps you expand your reach, exposing your content to people who don't follow you. LinkedIn, you can also do PPC on LinkedIn, helping you get in front of professional audiences. Twitter, likewise, you can use Twitter ads to target your relevant audience and expand your reach.
05. Native advertising. Native advertising, too, is a popular online marketing model. In contrast to large pop-ups and other intrusive ads, native ads match the format and tone of the platform on which they appear. Native ads often appear on websites, and they display content that blends in with surrounding articles or blog posts. For example, they might appear as a video embedded within a blog post, or as recommended reading at the bottom of the page. The goal of native advertising is to guide users to click on content that will take them to your company's page. If the advertised content is unobtrusive and highly relevant to the material at hand, users may be more enticed to click. 06. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a digital marketing practice in which one party, such as an influencer or a brand, receives a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. For businesses, this practice is beneficial because it allows them to reach that party's followers. By the affiliate marketing model, a company provides that party, called the affiliate, with a special link, usually leading to a page to purchase their product. The affiliate, in turn, will post about that product, usually on their blog or social media pages, promoting the given link in their content. When users click on that link and buy, it's a win-win for both the brand and the affiliate. The company makes a sale, and the affiliate earns a commission on that sale.
Brands can connect with affiliates using platforms such as Sharizali or CJ Affiliate, or by reaching out to influencers directly.
07. Influencer marketing. This practice is similar to affiliate marketing in that it involves another person promoting your brand, typically on social media or within their blog. Unlike affiliates, however, influencers get paid by the company simply for the promotion, regardless of whether people actually purchase the product. Influencer marketing is effective because it helps brands reach a particular influencer's fan base. When that influencer is trusted among their followers, they have the power to sway their fans' purchasing decisions by recommending a product. On the business side, the key to a successful partnership is to choose influencers whose audience matches your target market. For example, a company selling athletic wear would benefit most from collaborating with a well-known athlete. Likewise, a business selling cosmetics would be wise to seek out a collaboration with a beauty influencer. 08. Email marketing. You've almost certainly experienced email marketing in some form. In fact, you probably have branded emails sitting in your inbox right now. This popular digital marketing strategy involves communicating with your target audience via email with the goals of improving engagement, promoting products, and driving conversions and sales. Broadly speaking, there are 4 different types of marketing emails you can send to prospects and customers.
Email campaigns promote products, provide special offers or coupons, or encourage people to sign up for a product or service. Email newsletters are sent on a consistent basis to provide subscribers with regular updates, such as new blog posts, industry news, or upcoming events.
Automated marketing emails are sent automatically based on predefined triggers, and they include welcome emails, birthday emails and reminder emails. Automated transactional emails include automatic order confirmations, shipping updates and appointment reminders. 09. Marketing automation. Speaking of automated emails, they're examples of a broader digital marketing practice called marketing automation. As the name suggests, this involves the automation of basic marketing tasks. The idea behind this practice is to streamline repetitive tasks that would otherwise be done manually, such as transactional emails, data analysis, and more. Some tasks that benefit from automation include:
Thank you, confirmation and welcome emails, social media post scheduling, live chat, data analytics. Marketing automation is a critical way to build relationships with your customers while sustaining an organized and productive workflow.
10. Online public relations, PR. Online PR is the practice of obtaining coverage from online publications and blogs. This tends to require outreach to reporters and editors at relevant publications, which you can do through LinkedIn or Twitter. PR also involves monitoring your brand's reputation on the web overall. For example, you'll need to engage with comments on your blog and social media posts, as well as respond to online reviews of your company. 11. Mobile marketing. Often, converting customers through the screens of their laptops seems like the ultimate goal. It's important, however, that we also take full advantage of a smaller, but equally important, device, the smartphone. This is especially important considering that mobile internet usage comprises more than 50% of online traffic worldwide. Mobile marketing involves adapting standard digital marketing practices to fit the mobile experience. This includes
optimizing your mobile page speed. Google uses page speed as a ranking factor for mobile as well as desktop search. In addition, users are quick to navigate away from a site with a slow load time. To improve the speed of your mobile site, try to keep your site lightweight. For instance, avoid heavy images and minimize redirects. Designing your website for mobile. Your site is a fundamental marketing tool that represents your brand, showcases your product or service, and persuades people to buy. As such, the way it appears on mobile plays a crucial role in whether or not your audience will convert. Take a look at this article for mobile website design examples and tips.
12. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. If we need to sum up the goals of digital marketing, we'd say it's about bringing traffic to your site and increasing conversions. This latter component, called conversion rate optimization, requires designing your website with an understanding of the way users interact with it. To do this, you'll need to take into account how users navigate your site, which actions they take, and what guides them toward, or prevents them from, achieving your goals. Tracking tools and analytics can provide you with quantitative data about the ways users engage with your site, helping you guide them smoothly through the sales funnel. Thank you for watching this videos. Please subscribe the Animation Key Dunia channel.